Good morning, students. Today in commerce, we are going to discuss about the types of partnership. So, the types of partnership can be explained in partnership at will. Will means our own interest. Partnership for a fixed term. Then limited liability, that is called as LLP. Then particular partnership. So there are four types of the partnership firm. Okay. So one, two, three, four types of the partnership. So any one type they can able to start and they can run the business. First one, partnership at will. So will means interest. So whenever any partner is related to carry a business, so it should be a legal and a lawful business. And this partnership business can continue for a longer period also. If it is comes to an end means in case of any partner has been submitted a notice, the reason may be mentioned that he will be going out of the firm. So this is called as partnership at will. Now next one is partnership for a fixed term. So fixed term means, for example, the business may be continued only for completing the target. That means after the expiry of the agreement, the business cannot be survived. The business cannot be continued. So that means the certain type of business will come to an end. That is called a stipulated period. Stipulated period means, for example, construction work 2 years, 3 years means once the contract period is over, that's all. So that is called as partnership for a fixed term. Now next one is particular partnership. Particular partnership is, so when a partnership is started to carry or to continue a business, it is called as particular partnership. That means once if the work is completed means the partnership will come to an end. The next one is LLP in short form, limited liability partnership. See, in India we have only unlimited liability of partnership only is popular. But in other cases, in UK and England, this LLP can be practiced. That means the professionals like a cost accountant, company secretary, chartered accountant, a lawyer, a doctor, an engineer, and an architecture. So these people and all, the liability, the limited liability partnership can avail, can proceed. But in India also slowly these type of partnership has been started after 2008 onwards. Okay. So these are the types of the partnership. Now next slowly we are going to what are the types of partners. So we have active partner, sleeping partner, nominal partner, partners in profit only, partner by estoppel, partner by holding out, secret partner, then minor partner. So these are the different types of partners. Now first one, who is an active partner? Mark it as section B. A partner, one who takes an active for doing almost all the works in the partnership firm. So he is called as an active partner. Then second one, who is a sleeping partner? A sleeping partner is otherwise called as a dormant partner. That means he will contribute only capital. He will never do any works, but he can able to share profit or losses in the firm. So such a type of partner is called a sleeping partner. The next one is nominal partner. Nominal partner neither contribute a capital or nor he entitled to do the work. So that type of partner is called as nominal partner. He can use his name as a designation. The next is partners in profit only. So in the word itself you can understand that only whenever the firm earns profit, that time only this type of partner will come and share. In case of losses, mean this partner will not able to share the losses. So that type of partner is called as partners in profit only. The next one is a partner by estoppel. See, actually he is not a partner. By his behavior, the outsiders are treated that he is also belong one among the partner to the firm. So such a type of partners are called as partner by estoppel. The next one is a partner by holding out. So this is also continuing. So in case if that type of partner had any transaction with the general public means the firm is not responsible. So the outsiders are only responsible. The next is secret partner. Secret partner is one who association is not known to the general public. So such a type of partners are called a secret partner. Then minor partner. So you know very well a person who has not completed at the age of 18 years is called as a minor partner. But after attaining the majority, his own consideration he can decide whether to continue in the partnership firm or to come out of the firm. But here a minor also eligible in the partnership firm, but only thing is he can able to share the firm's liabilities as well as he can verify the books of accounts, and till they attain the majority a guardian will be responsible for almost all the works. Okay, students. So today we have discussed about the two important section C type. What are the different types of partnership firm? What are the different types of partners? Okay, students. Thank you.